Hello everyone. In this video I will show you that how can you enable assistive touch on your iPhone or iPad. So it's very simple. You have to do is open settings. Here scroll down and find accessibility. Here is accessibility. Open it. Now click on touch. And here is the first option of assistive touch. Click on it. And now toggle on this option. Now your assistive touch is enabled. You can use it like this, and you can also customize it by going again to settings, and here is option of customize top level menu. Click on it. Now you can add more icons. Here you can add maximum of 8 icons to this assistive touch, and you can assign it a task like anything, double tap or drag and hold, lock screen, etc. And you can also reset it by clicking here. Now it will reset to default, and you can customize the default buttons by clicking on them, and now you can choose the other task. After that, click on done, and this is how you can customize this assistive touch. So this is how you can enable and customize assistive touch on your iPhone or iPad. Thank you everyone.